Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I will talk about India's best Olympiad, that is Indian Talent Olympiad. Last week I had already uploaded some videos related to this topic. You can watch those videos by clicking on I button or through the link which is given in the description area. In this video, I will focus only on International Science Olympiad. First of all, talking about what is Science Olympiad. International Science Olympiad exam is a global Olympiad competition where students from different schools across countries can take part. It gives budding talent a platform to test their skill set. Such exams make students ready for national as well as international competition. Indian Talent Olympiad conducts Science Olympiad, which is one of the best and most proficient Olympiad, which nurtures the aspiring talent. The Indian Talent Olympiad team conducting Olympiad exams consists of professionals from various science fields who understand the exact requirement of students. The test questions are based on applied science. It uplifts existing knowledge of students on different topics of physics, chemistry, and biology. Now talking about how to participate in Science Olympiad exam. Enrolling for Science Olympiad exam have become easier than before. All you have to do is register your school with Indian Talent Olympiad. Then Indian Talent Olympiad team will help you in the entire registration process, which happens online within no time. Schools must share name of participants and their class with the team of Indian Talent Olympiad. Participating students can order Olympiad books and previous year question papers online through the Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. It is open to students from class 1st to class 10th. The exams are conducted in their respective schools. Students should contact their subject teacher to enroll for Olympiad Science exam. Indian Talent Olympiad rewards deserving students with prizes and awards who top in science exam in India. Now talking about the syllabus of International Science Olympiad. Olympiad exam syllabus is based on existing school curriculum. These are competitive exams that act as additional practice for all participants. These exams help students to prepare for their upcoming school test. It becomes very easy to understand concept when students participate in Indian Talent Olympiad's exam. The International Science Olympiad is open for students from class 1st to class 10th. It teaches them scientific concept in the most practical way. Students of class 1st are introduced to basic topics of science such as plants, animals, good habits, earth, sky, and transport, etc. Slowly and steadily the syllabus moves to the next level. As and when children move to higher classes, the content and complexity of topics gradually increases. Teachers believe that when students are enrolled in Olympiads at an early age, they develop a good command over different topics. It leverages their potential to perform better than others in their school exams. This is all because of the additional knowledge provided by Olympiads. And now talking about how to prepare for Science Olympiad. Olympiad workbooks are highly informative. Students can purchase workbooks for all subjects from Indian Talent Olympiad. These books are designed by experts who have a strong command over subjects. Students find it very easy to refer to these books as the language used is friendly and easy to understand. The motive of Olympiad workbook is to allow students to comprehend questions in the best way possible. The workbooks include plenty of multiple choice questions with answers. All questions have explanation to correct answers. It becomes easy for students to realize why the answers are correct. And previous year question papers are very useful to all participants. It offers subject-wise set of previous papers of students for practice. These are available for maths, science, English, and general knowledge. Students can opt for individual subject-wise paper sets or combo pack that include all the above mentioned subjects. The set includes papers, answer key, solution, and practice OMR sheet. Now talking about Science Annual Olympiad and Monthly Olympiad. First of all, talking about Annual Olympiad. Annual Olympiads are the most prestigious exam conducted every year by Indian Talent Olympiad. Lakhs of students participate in these exams with a lot of confidence and excitement. These exams are conducted twice in December and February respectively. The annual Olympiad consists of 50 questions for class 1st to 10th. The subject for annual Olympiad include International Science Olympiad, International Math Olympiad, English International Olympiad, General Knowledge International Olympiad, International Computer Olympiad, National Essay Olympiad, International Drawing Olympiad, and National Social Studies Olympiad. All the exams are for 45 minutes. However, the IDO exam is for 60 minutes and the NESO exam is for 40 minutes. Students who opt for the drawing and the essay exam must upload images within the given time. These exams can be taken anytime between 10 to 6 pm. Now talking about the monthly Olympiad. The monthly Olympiad has been introduced by Indian Talent Olympiad to provide maximum practice for the upcoming exam. These exams are conducted every month from home. The Power Pack exams, also known as the monthly Olympiad, include exams in subjects such as maths, science, English, GK, drawing and essay. Students can participate in these exams sitting at the comfort of their house. All they need is either a smartphone or a tablet to take these exams. Students can take monthly exams anytime between 10 am and 6 pm on their particular exam date. The test duration for the monthly test is 25 minutes per test. The tests are conducted in the most transparent manner. Being an online test, it includes features such as audio recording, video recording, image capture and eyeball recognition. These elements ensure complete transparency in the exam. The Power Pack exam or the monthly Olympiad are the best way to keep children engaged. It solves multiple purposes. It makes them practice for the upcoming Olympiad, helps them to study for their upcoming school exams, and be thorough in topics slowly and steadily. It ensures complete understanding of chapter-wise questions in all the subjects. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.